Namaste, I'm Alakananda Ma, Ayurvedic doctor and principal of Alandi Ayurveda Gurukula, a unique apprenticeship-style Ayurveda school in Boulder, Colorado. Well, today let's spend a few minutes thinking about hiccups. Hiccups in Ayurveda are termed as, guess what? Hicca! That's actually the sound we make, so that's why the word is pretty similar. So how do hiccups happen? Your diaphragm suddenly contracts because your phrenic nerve is irritated. Your phrenic nerve is the nerve that controls your diaphragm. And when the air is pulled in, your vocal cords tighten up and makes a hickey sound. So we all get hiccups sometimes. It can be totally normal. Ayurveda does take hiccups extremely seriously because there are a few kinds of hiccups that are part of a serious illness. We can have very serious, long-lasting hiccups as part of kidney failure and as part of heart failure, but that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about ordinary, everyday bout of hiccups that can come because we eat too fast or we drink too fast, because we got really excited. It can also happen with anxiety and stress. So if you are prone to hiccups, stay away from carbonated beverages. Don't have a lot of spicy food and don't drink too much alcohol. And we can also try reducing stress. Even a simple pranayama, like alternate nostril breathing, where you're breathing out twice as long as you breathe in, quiet, gentle. Pranayama is a great way to reduce stress. So if you get an attack of hiccups, what can you do? I do usually use the Andrew Huberman method, which is breathe in deeply through your nose 3 times without breathing out. Hold your breath for 15 to 30 seconds and very slowly breathe out. I probably breathed out a little. I didn't want to make you have to wait as long, but basically 3 big sips through your nose, hold 15 to 30, breathe out slowly. I find that usually does the trick. But if you are prone to hiccups and you might get more bouts that day, remember that carminative herbs like ginger, hing or asafoetida, black pepper, and cardamom are very helpful. Here's a few home remedies. You can take some hot water, mix in cardamom powder, and then let it cool down a little bit and sip that. It'll really help. You can also take half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and ghee, according to Ayurveda, is really good for hiccups because it calms that vata in that phrenic nerve. So mix half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of ghee, and eat that. You can also mix some hing or asafoetida in a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. As much hing as you can tolerate, which would usually probably be a couple pinches, depending who you are. That's not the best remedy for pitta, but it's brilliant for vata. You can swallow a teaspoon of sugar if you're not diabetic, and that could be a great remedy for pitta, just to swallow a teaspoon of turbinado sugar. For vata, this is not going to work for pitta. Suck on a slice of lemon, and that's going to help. So good luck with your hiccups, and stay calm. Okay, see you next week. Namaste.